ទាំងអស់គ្នា Side by side Level 1 សូមស្វាគមន៍ទៅកាន់មេរៀនទី2ទំពើទី12ដែលសិក្សាអំពីការប្រើប្រាស់កិរិយាសព្ទ to be ជាមួយបរិបទទី3ឯកវចនៈ Yeah, let's continue. Where's Bob? Where's Bob? Question. Answer. Where is he? He's in the kitchen. Where is she? She's in the kitchen. Where is it? It is in the kitchen. Yes, let's continue. Where's Bob? Where's Bob? He's in the living room. He's in the living room. Where's Mary? Where's Mary? She's in the bedroom. She's in the bedroom. Where's the car? Where's the car? It's in the garage. It's in the garage. Where's Tim? Where's Tim? He's in the bedroom. He's in the bedroom. Where's Rosa? Where's Rosa? She's in the yard. She's in the yard. Where's the newspaper? Where's the newspaper? It's in the kitchen. It's in the kitchen. Where's Patty? Where's Patty? She's in the living room. She's in the living room. Where's the telephone book? Where's the telephone book? It's in the bedroom. It's in the bedroom. Where's Harry? Where's Harry? He's in the bathroom. He's in the bathroom. Where's Ellen? Where's Ellen? She's in the dining room. She's in the dining room. Where's Kevin? Where's Kevin? He's in the garage. He's in the garage. Now let's practice. Listen and write the answer. ស្ដាប់ហើយសរសេរចម្លើយ Where's David? Where's David? He's in the garage. He's in the garage. 2. Where's Melly? Where's Melly? She's in the living room. She's in the living room. 3. Where the computer? Where the computer? It's in the classroom. It's in the classroom. Yeah, everyone, are you finished? Yeah, let's go and check the answer. Yeah, everyone, let's check. Listen and write the answer. 1. Where's David? Where's David? He's in the garage. He's in the garage. Yeah, let's check. 2. Where's Millie? Where's Millie? She's in the living room. She's in the living room. Yeah, let's check. 3. Where the computer? Where the computer? It's in the classroom. It's in the classroom. Yeah, let's check. Yeah, everyone, let's check your exercise, please. Are you okay? Yes, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe. You will get new lesson automatically. Thank you.